Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Blackmagic camera app and confirming permissions so the hardware can stream. Once done, connect the phone to your camera or capture card using a USB-C cable and watch the app detect the input. Make sure to choose the correct input source from the top bar. If you have a phone, gimbal, or external mic, attach them now. This prepares the signal path so you can control exposure, frame rate, and codecs immediately, no extra menu digging. You now set the technical parameters that determine image quality and workflow. Start by selecting resolution and frame rate. 4K at 24 gives cinematic motion, while 60 helps fast action. Pick what matches your deliverable. Next, choose codec and bitrate. ProRes for heavy grading, H. 264 to save space. Then press through to exposure controls, ISO, shutter angle, or speed, white balance, and lock focus manually when possible, because once those are stable, you get consistent footage across takes. You're ready to record. Hit the record button and monitor the image with waveform, histogram, and zebras. These tell you exposure and clipping. Once a take ends, stop and immediately play back a few seconds to confirm audio sync and focus. Then continue. When done shooting, save or transfer files to external SSD or cloud. Make sure there's adequate space and proper file names for editing. If audio drops or the feed freezes, restart the app and replug the cable. That usually restores the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.